Do you feel sexy?
Do you have the body you've always dreamed of?
Create the body you deserve.
No more excuses, just results.
How hot can you be?
Xantrex 3 High Energy Fat Burner, the fat-burning supplement with ingredients so powerful, they helped people lose 15% of their body fat. It's the weight loss sensation that makes dieting obsolete.
I lost 21 pounds.
39 pounds.
31 pounds.
Millions of Americans have made Hydroxycut the #1 weight loss supplement.
I'm Jillian from Illinois, and I lost 39 pounds fast with Hydroxycut. It really worked.
Get Hydroxycut, a new complete 7-day cleanse today.
I'm Jillian from Illinois, and I lost 21 pounds.
31 Xantrex 3 High Energy Fat Burner, the fat-burning supplement with ingredients so powerful.
Let's talk supplements. So as a personal trainer, the top questions I get are, what's the best supplement to take to get results? What pills are gonna help me cut the extra fat? I just need a pill to get rid of all my cravings. Just tell me the pill that I need to take so I can get a body just like your. What if I told you I don't take any fat burners, 0 pre-workout, and I barely drink protein shakes? The truth is, my cute little watchers, is that these supplements like fat burners and carb blockers and booty tighteners.
So I am currently taking the Curve Pants pill form.
Don't give you those crazy results like you think they do. The only reason that you're so hyped up on these products is that the advertisements use words like fast, burn the fat, melt the fat right off. And of course, they have extremely attractive people standing next to their products so that they can appeal to the average person. But mostly women.
This is my husband, Ted. He stopped drinking soda and lost 12 pounds. I stopped drinking soda and I lost 1. He started eating subs and lost 19 pounds. And I haven't had bread in 2 years. Then he started jogging. Okay, you know what? Enough now. Just stop. What are you trying for? You want to weigh 0?
Presenting Slim Quick, the weight loss supplement designed to address 6 physical reasons women have trouble losing weight to help you lose weight easier. Slim Quick, how women lose weight.
I mean, many people can relate to that ad, right? So when they see this, they're gonna say, yes, that's me. It's fate. I need all of those things that they had in those little bubbles that I saw them put on the screen really quick. I need this product to get to my goals. But the big question is, do we really need them, or are they just burning an extra hole in our wallets instead of burning the extra fat off our oversized? So for my example, we're gonna take the alpha female plan from a very popular brand, Shreds. So they use all the popular words: burn, detox, tone. Sorry, that word kind of triggers me. I just find it odd, just a little bit odd, that a supplement company that has very strong, lean, muscular women settle with the word tone just because it appeals to the women who are scared of building muscle, even though toning is building muscle. But that's just business and another topic for another video. So let's move on. So let's look at the ingredients that are in the alpha female stack. Many of these supplements will have ingredients like green tea extract, yohimbine bark extract, and L-carnitine. And look at that. All of them just happen to be in this product. Now, did you know that these supplements can have just a smidge, just a very tiny smidge of these ingredients in the product? You know, not enough to give you the effects that you're looking for, but just enough so they can put it on the label so that you will buy it. That's why on the product label, you won't see the amount of grams of each ingredient in the product. They don't want to tell you how much of each ingredient is in the bottle because there's not really that much in there. It's a very small amount. Shh.
The New York test showed that 21% of the products tested, only 21%, contained the DNA of what was on the label.
But once again, that's business, right? So let me just read something straight from the website and then I'll tell you a little bit about it. Whether you're trying to burn a few pounds, have more energy, Curb your cravings or get in beach shape, Shreds Burner is the supplement you will need. It helps boost your metabolism, increase energy levels, suppress your appetite, and burn calories all day long. Burner is perfect for helping you lose weight and even great when you're trying to get stronger. Ingredients like vitamin B5, green tea extract, cayenne pepper extract help raise the body's internal temperature to burn fat at a constant rate and provide various health benefits to keep you on track with the goals that you set for yourself. Whether this is the first step on your fitness journey or the finishing touch on a bikini body, Shreds Burner is the supplement for you. I got it right. That was the final statement. That sounds perfect. Everything we need to get that perfect body, right? So then let's just go buy it now. Wait, hold on. Don't move. So if you just take about 2 seconds and swoop that bottle around and just check out the ingredients, notice the first ingredients. Cocoa seed extract along with caffeine. Now, if you didn't know, the first few ingredients are going to be the most prominent ingredient on any nutritional label that are in the supplements. So basically, you're paying $90 for cocoa seed extract that you can get online for $2.99 and caffeine pills that you can get for $5 or less. So another tip that you should be looking out for when looking for a supplement is the words proprietary blend. Whenever I see this on a melt the fat away type fat burner, I just have to kind of chuckle a lot to myself. The supplement company is literally saying whoever's buying this is an idiot and they haven't done their research and they're about to fork over $40 to us. So a proprietary blend is the mixture of ingredients in which the total amount of the ingredients combined, notice that word, is listed on the label, but not the specific amount of each ingredient listed on the label. You're gonna see proprietary blends on a lot of these huge supplement companies, and huge supplement corporate companies love proprietary blends. Why? Because they can load up their product with all the cheap stuff first, and then put a very, very, very tiny amount of all the stuff that actually works last.
Because last week, he told 4 major retailers, Walmart, GNC, Walgreens, and Target, to pull these failed tested products from their shelves. New York did an investigation, and the DNA testing of those products showed that St. John's wort contained no St. John's wort. Ginkgo biloba, none. Echinacea, none. What they found instead was that they had cheap fillers that were not on the label. They were using rice, mustard, wheat, and radish. Now think about that. If you have gluten allergy, for example, and you think you're taking St. John's wort, and in fact you're taking wheat, this is dangerous.
And the company, they're stoked because they have this product that didn't cost them much to make at all, thus increasing their pocketbooks, and you just contributed to paying for their 5th mansion. But they do have it in their product, which means they can slap it on the label. They are completely and legally allowed to advertise that it's in their product. Then they get a few hot chicks to hold the bottle, which will convince you that it will be all worth it to pay $90, because in the end, you will look like this, all because of these. And well, if you look here at the alpha female stack, specifically the fat burner, all the ingredients that they were rooting and raving about in the description, well, look at that. It's part of a proprietary blend. So I could go deeper and deeper and deeper into these, each ingredient of the supplement stack on each label that they're advertising, but I wanted to make a very short video just influencing you guys to do a little bit of research before you invest in some of these expensive supplements. If you guys would like some more scientific facts, or did I just flash the pictures a little bit too quickly for you guys on the screen, I linked a few links below if you guys want to read more about these supplements or about the scientific studies. Remember, don't take my word for it. Do your own research and make your own discovery. Remember, people, it's very, very easy to start a supplement company. You actually don't need very much approval. And as you can see, you can make these crazy claims without having much of the ingredient even in your product. My boyfriend actually happened to be a formulator for a pretty big company, and he told me when he would formulate the product that they would just boom about when he would make the little pills, he would just take a tiny, tiny, tiny bit and drop it right into the pill. The most tiniest amount that you can think of. And not that it means a lot, but the FDA doesn't even have to approve a lot of these supplements. Anyone can make it, and if you have great advertising skills and enough big boobed hotties holding your supplement, you will flourish and the money will fall into your lap, all while scamming some pretty desperate people. So if you would like to know what supplements I take, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And I'll do a video with the product description along with what they do and why I take it. It's all basic. It's really not that intense. It's basic. If you learned something today, make sure to spread the knowledge and share with a friend so they don't get scammed like many people do. Please sub to my channel, turn on those post notifications, and follow me on IG. Remember, stay strong, stay knowledgeable, and I'll see you guys next time.